Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a fantastic day. Let's just get right into it. So the big thing today was we obviously came down. We tested this daily order block again, right? And then you see how we pretty much respected the CE of the daily order block wick here. And then what else do you notice here? I noticed that we took this previous day low. So and then after we got that previous day low, what did we get? We got that 50% back up to a 5-minute FEG, where price is currently sitting right here. You know, like after you take like a big daily low like that, you can expect most times get at least some kind of 50% up. You know, the market has to rebalance itself, 50% up, and then maybe back down. So what I'm going to be watching going into tonight is going to be this 4-hour fair value gap right here. So you know this it's also an hourly FEG sitting right here. So I want to see how we react here. Why is this important? Because it's going to be 50% up. You see, we just hit 50%, right? So we end up hitting 50% up of this leg. I want to see us hit this 4-hour. It's also aligns with this 4-hour order block. 4-hour order block up here as well. You'll see, so it kind of all aligns here, and I'll see how price reacts here. If we come up here and take this, then I think tomorrow we're headed down for these these relative daily equal lows sitting down here at 1871. That's the bearish case going into tomorrow, but I'm going to show you why there could be a bullish case too. It's all going to depend on what happens with this 4-hour. No bias going into tomorrow until this tells us everything. If we end up going through this, then I think we're gonna go clear out some daily highs from this week. Remember, tomorrow is quad witching, so it could be just a very choppy, messy day as well. The bullish side I can see here is because of ES and NQ, right? We're still delivering from the daily order block here, as well as look at ES. ES today, daily fair value gap holds it. It looks like it might even close outside of it, which is a pretty bullish sign. And then what else? You have the daily order block down here. Look at that. As soon as we dug into it, ripped right back up out of it. And what else do you notice? NQ took this low here, so we have a daily SMT with NQ, right? Because NQ took this daily SMT, or this daily low, and ES did it, and then you see we get a nice rip up off of it. So it's all going to depend on what happens with this 4-hour. Remember, ES still I still think ES has this. Let's see here. Still think ES wants to complete up here. You see how we got so close up here and didn't take it. So I still think ES can come back up. So ES, let's see. So there's a 4-hour as well on ES. So I guess that just goes along with NQ. These 4 hours should tell us everything going into tomorrow. Inverse this, ES finally goes up and takes 52.57, I think. Or maybe we just held that, FVG to get a 50% up, come back up, rebalance this 4-hour, and then we slam back down. So that's why everything's going to be dependent on what happens with this 4-hour FVG. Either the OBs, the daily OBs held, and we got daily S&P to come up and rebalance this, or we're holding those to come back up and then take some brand new highs. So two sides to the market going into tomorrow. This will tell us everything. So today, we caught a couple trades. A couple 25-point winners, and then we had a one minute loser. So coming into the afternoon, we knew we had these previous day lows down here, right? Let's see, this was, I guess we took these at 11. But remember, we had these, and then we almost took these coming into the afternoon session. You see how we get so close to these daily lows and we don't take it. And I mentioned on the PM stream and the PM video rather that we didn't take this. This is where you expect some kind of 50% up. What do we have? You had a 5 and a 15-minute FVG here, and what do you get? You got a 50% retrace filled in all the FVGs. Everyone assumes longs, and then what? 50%. We even get another 50% here. And what do you notice about this leg here? The thing that I talk about every single day, right? 9:30, or 9:30. It's same thing from 9:30 to 10, right? We expect some kind of manipulation swing. So look, right at 1:30, this manipulation leg starts. What time is the reversal hit? Right at 2 o'clock. You never want to fade that 2 o'clock reversal until some kind of major liquidity is swept. So look, 2 o'clock reversal, boom. That's why at 1:30 you can't start making assumptions. Just like 10 o'clock, I always say don't make assumptions on the price until 10 o'clock. Same thing in the afternoon. Don't make assumptions until whatever happens at 2 o'clock. Kind of like London this morning that I was talking about with 3 a.m. Never make assumptions before 3 a.m. because then that's usually when you start getting the real move. So, and then what happens? We end up 50%ing just back up, and then and then we failed. We thought we were gonna hit the hourly FEG here. You see, we failed to hit it. We ended up just rejecting the 15 again. We end up going down and then see how we didn't take the sell side here or the liquidity here, fit it up right down, and then we take it, and then what do you get? You get your 50% back up, and then we're back where we are right now. So we did inverse this 15 back up. The only thing standing in the way right now is this 5-minute, but I think we inversed that as well. So we'll have to see if this holds tonight. But I do think we get a move up into that 4-hour FEG that I showed you, and then obviously we'll go from there. The big thing is we did not put in a daily order, a 4-hour order block here. If we close below here, I think that would have shot us right down, and the bias would have been much easier going for these lows. But now you see we're getting some kind of a retracement off the daily order blocks. So whether those are being held for the just come up and rebalance this and then go lower, we'll wait to find out. But just worth noting, these are still very smooth lows down here. There's going to be tons of liquidity sitting down here. So with that, that's pretty much it for everything I want to show you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and we'll catch you guys in the morning.